Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Police have charged Nigeria's former Minister of Petroleum, Diezani Alison Madueke, with bribery offences, saying they suspected she had accepted bribes in return for awarding multi-million-pound oil and gas contracts. She is to appear at the Westminster Magistrates Court on October the 2nd. Alison Madueke was a key figure in the administration of former President Goodluck Jonathan, serving in his cabinet from 2010 to 2015. She also served as president of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC. The National Crime Agency says Alison Madueke was accused of benefiting from at least £100,000 in cash, chauffeur-driven cars, flights on private jets, luxury holidays for her family, and the use of multiple London properties. She denies all charges of corruption. Okay. Diezani Alison Madueke, the powerful petroleum minister, the first female president of OPEC, and I believe the first female minister of petroleum as well. Back in the news.
It's a very interesting one. To a large extent, a lot of Nigerians are happy, I think, from what I've heard. At least most of them that I've heard are happy that United Kingdom is picking on those who have chosen to have criminal intentions and to want to destroy the economy of their nation by stealing money or by being corrupt in their ways of dealing with public purse. It is good that they're doing this, but my concern is that they have spent several years, 4 or 5 years plus now on this case. And in all of this, all they can come up with is that she stayed in some people's house, that she is collecting jewelries as gifts. I'm expecting to see a really profound amount of money, disturbing amount of money, because all the allegations that Nigerians were sharing was that billions of naira, millions of dollars were being used and were stolen during the era of President Jonathan. And this woman, Mrs. Diezani Alison Madueke, is right behind it. So I expect to find a case of loads of dollars being said, not $100,000. So I'm concerned that some money is still somewhere and it's not being found, or the allegation of massive level of corruption is really not there. Because if it is there, then, like President Jonathan has said during his tenure, he said that if it is true, America will know. If it is true, FBI will know. He said that before. But I would expect that MI5 and all the intelligence agency, National Crime Agency in United Kingdom, and the Crown Prosecution, they would have sat down and they've done investigation over the years. I would expect that they will come up with something better than this. I don't know whether this can stick. And even if it does, it probably will just mean, look at the seriousness of the allegation. She's probably going to get a slap on the wrist for maybe a year or 2 or 3. It couldn't possibly be more than 5 years, unless they want to use her as an example and then give her a large number of years that it could be turned over if the case proceeds to their own Supreme Court. But I know that quite a lot of Nigerians who are not happy with what happened under Jonathan's era are happy that this is happening, but they're also concerned that is this all they could find after so many years? Where's the rest of the money if it actually happened?
So I'd like us to go into the facts of what they found, and we must also this morning commend the Nigerian authorities, the EFCC, because this was a collaborative work between our authorities here and I think they are called the NCA abroad. So it was a collaborative work, so they couldn't have done it alone. It was also a collaborative work with the EFCC, and this partnership has been solid between them. What the fact of the case says, yes, Diezani is 63 years of age, former OPEC chief, as we said. She's alleged to have benefited from at least £100,000 in cash, chauffeur-driven cars, flights and private jet, luxury holidays, and all of that. Her charge also detailed financial reward, including furniture, renovation work, staff of the property, payment of private school fees, and gift from high designer shops such as Càtćh and all of that, Louis Vuitton. So it's not only about the 100,000, and there are also other gifts, you know. She currently lives in St. John's Woods. I mean, top Nigerians, about Nigerians live in St. John's Woods. She's going to appear in the magistrate court on the 2nd of October. Andy Kelly, the head of the NCA International Corruption Unit, he said, "We suspect that Diezani abused her power in Nigeria and accepted financial rewards. We cannot sit here and preempt what the court would do, because that will be sub judice. All we can just say is they'll be able to look at the facts of the case. Diezani too will be able to put her facts forward on the case and, you know, let us know what happened." And also concerning what is happening, there are also assets worth millions of pounds sterling relating to the alleged offences that have been frozen as part of ongoing investigation. So it's not just about the 100,000. In March this year, NCA also provided evidence to the U.S. Department of Justice that enabled them recovered assets totaling $53.1 million linked to Diezani in a corruption case. ICU officers also worked closely with EFCC of Nigeria, and that's why I say kudos to the EFCC, as well as the NCA-hosted International Anti-Corruption Coordinated Center. Right? And the current prosecution has authorized the NCA to charge Diezani with bribery offenses, and the criminal proceedings are active, and she has a right to fair trial. So it's not just only about the 100K and the gifts. They're also linking millions, and you saw the case of the $53.1 million. So that's the full fact of the case, but we can't talk here because the judges will have to look at the case and sit on the case in the UK. They'll go through the full gamut. But I think the formative word here in all of this is that, you know, no matter how long it is, the long arm of the law will definitely catch up. It doesn't pay to be corrupt. And when people go into office, they should do that in truth and in honesty to serving, you know, our country. I think that's a watchword for the new ministers out there, but we cannot comment on the case because it is the whole legal process that will make the final decision of the case, so that not be seen as sub judice.
Yes, absolutely. Well, just to mention that the Buhari administration had sought to extradite Mrs. Alison Madueke, but this wasn't quite successful. Recall that she had gone to the UK on account of her health in 2015 and had said to have undergone treatment for an aggressive form of cancer. And so she had said that she wasn't running away from Nigeria or the law. It was just that she had to look after her own health. Now, fast forward later, we see the NCA, that's the National Crime Agency of the United Kingdom, saying that they are going to take her to court on allegations of bribery, even though her lawyers have come out to say that she was going to fight this forcefully and fight any allegations of corruption and bribery. Now, as is often said, that when we invite the minister on allegations of bribery and corruption, sometimes it's important to also investigate the principal. But this is often not seen because the minister is an employee of her principal. And therefore, it's hardly in cases like this that the principal is unaware of what transpired in her office, or perhaps turned a blind eye. So that conversation often comes up as to when we castigate ministers and ministries, should we also not look at the leaders or the person who employed the minister, male or female, her or she, into that office, and perhaps if they were complicit? Was she working on behalf of someone? Was she remitting funds to someone? If she's found guilty, of course, the courts will decide on that. But she has consistently said that she is innocent of any wrongdoing with regards to corruption charges, and she will fight to the finish to defend her name and her reputation. On the 2nd of October, when she appears in court, we'll begin to see and unfold. But I must also say that the UK is different, with all due respect to our Nigerian system, that when they have a case against you, it's usually watertight. They have possibly gone through the books, and it would be interesting to see the outcome of this particular case.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.